In this video, we're going to summarize all the functional dependency steps. So first, we start with a relation that is not normalized. What we're going to do is identify all the functional dependencies. So we can graphically depict these as well by just taking the column names and drawing arrows from one to the next. So this is all the functional dependencies that we have. The next thing that we're going to do is eliminate all the trivial functional dependencies. So these would be the augmented and equivalent functional dependencies, and they should be removed. The next step is identify the primary key. And if you graphically depict your functional dependencies, it's really easy to see what is our primary key. It's anything that has arrows going out, but no arrows coming in. So order ID and product ID together are our primary key. The next thing is to identify the partial functional dependencies. So the partial functional dependencies are going to be anything that comes from a subset of our primary key. So anything that comes directly from order ID or product ID. So order ID determining order date, customer ID, name, and address, and product ID determining description, finish, and price. And then the last step is to identify the transitive functional dependencies, where we have an A determining a B and a B determining a C. So order ID determines customer ID, and customer ID determines name and address.